I've got ideas. I've got big ideas. Now we're going to do what I do best, which is improvise. And I was looking at the Kuat DEK, and we need to come back here. Super stoked this is modular. First thing we're going to do, we're going to undo the back and take this off. I got ideas. I've got big ideas. All right, number 5, and thank you, Kuat, for making a modular roof rack so I can just remove this tail end. Okay, we got our 2 bolts on each side done. This should just slide out. It is modular. Might be a little, yep, little love tap. Okay, so here's what we got going on. Don't forget your nuts and leave those in. But I noticed that this had Torx, which means they're removable. They're not rivets like this. So I need to install some lights. And I want to see if this backing plate can be removed to make it nice and clean. Alright, last screw, moment of truth. We've already gotten those out. Let's see if this is going to let us do a nice clean chase light and rear light install. Ooh, it comes off. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah, we're mounting this nice and clean. Woo, money. Alright, we got the blue tape out because we got a drill, but just so you guys know, it's all hollow in through here. So this is where it attaches, but we're going to drill and drop our chase lights and our cargo rear lights right here and make it nice and clean, and then run the wiring through here, exit here, and it'll be chef's kiss. So here's what's going in. We have the SS10 Chase, and then we have 2 Stage Series C2 version 2 in flood orientation. So this is the rear. SS10 is going to go here. Obviously it's going to go this way. And then this is going to go, we're going to put it right above these. Here and here. So let's drill. Drill, baby, drill. Okay, we are marked. Point of no return. Yee-hoo! Okay, we got our holes drilled. Let's go ahead and clean this up. And we'll get some touch-up paint and clean that up, vacuum this. But you'll see that I added the extra holes. That's for the wires. Alright. Little touch-up poo. Little touch-up. Okay, we got our touch-up paint in. Now let's see if we are low-key genius or this was just a really bad idea. Alright guys, there we go. Check it out. It's all nice and mounted. Look on the back side and nice and clean in there. I drilled some holes. I'm going to wire it up here on my own. Let's go dry fit it. Okay, we're going to dry fit it now. Okay, that hole's good. There. Woo, check it out. Nice and clean, guys. Super clean, integrated, nice.